Byambisa obukodyo obutamanya bw'abantu n'obutaba bayigirize ignorance and babyambisa obutamanya n'obutaba bayigirize bandi nibababuzabuza nibabasasula obusente obutaliimu nze ebyange neŋŋaana kubanga nabagamba lwaki temwagoberera mbalire ya World Bank nga bwe balira birina ebiwangazi lwaki temwagigoberera ekyo tebagana kukiwulira n'obagamba lwaki oba mwali temumanyi lwaki temwebuuza ekintu bakikola naye beyambisanga abantu abamu nga babatiisakisanga olowooza bw'otakiza esente ezo unawuza ne gavumenti.
There was frustration and outrage at the Masaka High Court this week after a key court file challenging the construction of the East African Crude Oil Pipeline Project, Eacop, mysteriously went missing. The pipeline, which stretches 1,443 kilometers from Hoima in Uganda to Tanga in Tanzania, is a major government-backed project aimed at transporting crude oil for international export. But for some locals, the project has come at a cost. In November 2024, a group of affected persons from Lwengo, Kyotera and Rakai districts took the government to court, challenging what they describe as the forceful takeover of their land without fair compensation. Led by Vincent Birimuye, the applicants filed for a stay of execution of the pipeline works and sought court intervention before any compensation was deposited or finalized.
Today we had come to Masaka to follow up and have our application for stay of execution against the ruling which was delivered by this court, allowing Total and Eacop to deposit the compensation which they said they had valued for the properties of our clients where Eacop pipeline passes, and we are challenging that and we filed an appeal against that ruling. But before this appeal can be heard, we are aware that Eacop is going ahead to lay the pipe and clear the way and destroy people's properties. So we applied to court to stay execution of that ruling pending the appeal process. But today we came, surprisingly, we were unable. We waited for our file, the file could not be pressed. We checked through all the chambers, our file could not be pressed. We went to the registrar and talked to her. She said the file is with the judge, with the judge's clerk. The clerk to the judge has asked for more time to press for the file. I don't want at this stage to impute any foul play, but we hope that this can be sorted as fast enough as possible. Otherwise, it imputes a bad impression on the litigants who are seeking justice for their fight to come to court when we have all court process showing that the case was fixed for today and the court signed it, but the file can't be located.
On Monday, their long-awaited court hearing collapsed after the case file mysteriously disappeared. The sudden disappearance has raised suspicions and anger among the litigants, some of whom allege that this may be a deliberate effort to delay or derail their push for justice. Vincent Birimuye, the lead applicant, is demanding an immediate halt to the ongoing works until a neutral body can reassess the value of their properties. As the Eacop project moves forward, questions are now being asked to not only about the compensation, but about transparency and accountability in how affected communities are being treated. The Masaka High Court has yet to explain how and why the file went missing or when the case will be rescheduled. Story compiled by Ezekiel Sekweyama for the Uganda Radio Network.